Hello, my name is Abhinav. Hope you're doing well. So I'm creating a small tutorial how you can configure your latest Tailwind version v4 for your React app. So here we start. So for this, I am creating a React application using Vite. I'm going to open a terminal and simply creating the React and you follow React using JavaScript. Yeah, and installing all the dependencies which would be required. As the dependencies are installing, what we can do, we can go to our Tailwind documentation. Let me to show you. You can go to get started and this simply copy this and go to your Tailwind. Go to your VS Code and paste that code. After installation, copy this thing and go to your source folder index.css. Remove all this and paste it like this. And what I have to do, I have to copy this import and paste here and copy this comma paste. So I have to implement dev and you can see that we don't require CSS. Can tab right h1 um, yeah, yeah, can say React right and it's running on localhost. Yeah, as you can see, it's showing React, and now we can configure class name like bg red 100. Now it is showing, but you must be wondering why it's not showing the suggestion part. Because in the latest version of React, we haven't created the file. I remember we used to create it. So let me copy that file. Yeah, simply create this file, press enter, and boom, all the suggestions are there. Oh my bad. Let me delete this. So this is all the thing you have to do. Now you are having all suggestions. So let me repeat. First, create your basic React using create using Beat or any other thing you like, and then you have to install the npm install, which we have done earlier. Let me show you 1 second. Yeah, you have to use yeah, npm install tailwind css, this thing for installation, and after installation in index.css you have to import like this, and do not delete index.css import from the main.css. And also in the Vite config file you have to add this import line and this tailwind.css. After doing this, you're good to go, but you still not going to get any uh, suggestion as you have must installed React extensions, Tailwind IntelliSense for having suggestions. You simply have to get this file. It doesn't matter it's empty or not. You just create this file and you're good to go. Thank you.